Hello friends, in our today's class I will be teaching you how to draw a pattern circle by rotating pentagon. In one of my tutorials I already teach you how to draw a pentagon, so I would like you to get that video and watch it again. So for the fact that you have drawn a single pentagon before, it will help us in today's tutorial. So let's get the code ready for a rotated pentagon. Firstly, we have to reduce the size of your sprite. As usual, I always like to reduce the size of my sprite. So reduce the size of your sprite first. Let every x be 0, let y be 0. The sprite name, you can rename the sprite, but that does not matter now. What matters is the code. So here I'm hiding my sprite. My sprite is hidden now, so we have to get the code ready. First thing first, the strategy I'm using now is going to be a different strategy. I will bring down all necessary blocks first and be setting them later. We need, so that we can know what we are doing, we need the green block, the when flag is clicked block. We need the pen from extension, and on that pen we are bringing in, we need we are going to need, or we need erase all. We need pen down. We are going to need pen down. We need pen up. We need pen up. We need okay, we are done with what we need from the pen. Let's go to motion. From the motion block we need the go to x. We are going to need the go to x. We need direction, that's point in direction 90 degree. We are going to need it. Then we need some other things from our control. We need 2 repeats. We need 2 repeats. We need 2 repeats. You are bringing 2 repeats in. We go back to our motion. From the motion we need move. We need move. We need turn left. We need to turn left. We need one turn left, and we need another turn right. We need another turning right in degrees. So now that we have all this, I think there are how many blocks? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now we need to set all these blocks now. So we are bringing in pen up. We can bring pen up, we can bring erase up first. Anyone you want to bring first. Let's put erase up first. Let's drag everything here. Then go to x. Bring go to x. This go to x should be same number. It can be 0 0, it can be 10 10. Let's leave it like that. Then point in direction 90 degree, because a straight line is involved. Then we need our pen down. Bringing the pen down. Your repeat block. The first repeat block will be 24. Let's use 24 here. Let's use 24 here. And because the pentagon has 5 edges, we are setting this to 5. Let's use 5 here. Then we are moving. Only 2 are already together. They are not supposed to be together, but let's use it that way. This will be 50. Move 50 because a straight line is involved. You need 50. Let's use 50. You can use 50. You can use 60. You can use 40. Yeah, let's set it to let's try 72. Then let's bring in this here. Now we are done with the codes. Let's run it. Wow, that's perfect. That's very perfect. This is very perfect. Very, very perfect. Now let's look at a way of beautifying it. Let's see if we can add beauty to the circle. Let's go to our pen and bring in change color. Let's change color, change pen size, change pen color, set pen color to, I'm looking for, okay, this is change pen color. Let's bring it here. Let's use it here. And let's change it by 20. Let's try by 20. Let's run it and see. Wow, that means we can only reset the color. You can only reset the color. It will not give us different colors. Or let's remove it from here and try it at the base. Let's try it at the base of this. Let's see what we get from here. Wow, this is beautiful. This is very, very beautiful. So thank you. See you in our next class.